please hit the subscribe button, and for more videos and updates, hit the bell icon. Hi, I'm Kavya. I'm 9 years old. Today in this video, we are going to make a carrot. No, I am wrong. We are not going to make just a carrot. We are going to make a super cute Kawaii origami carrot. Yup, we are going to make a Kawaii carrot. It's so cute. So first I'm going to show you all the supplies you are going to make this origami carrot. No, again wrong. Kawaii origami carrot. So first you're going to need some papers. The most important part. Orange and green. Scale. And then we'll need glue. So you will need a black pen to make the size. And you need the markers if you want to make it a Kawaii carrot. Pale pink marker. I'm using a pale pink marker. It is not really required. You can just use a pink. 2 markers is enough. So now let's start making a origami carrot. First fold your paper like this. So your triangle should be like the top side, the flat side at top and the pointing side at bottom. Now fold it till the center line. And the same thing right over here. You need to do the same thing again. So from here to here. It may sound a bit confusing. So like this. And then the same thing right over here. And now turn. And you'll have your carrot. Now let's start making the carrot's leaves. So to make the leaves, now you're going to need your green paper and a scale. I'm just going to move this a bit aside, this piece. It will make our leaves. So first, we will need to fold our paper like this. Now you should have a rectangle. Now, if you want, and now fold it like this. Tip to tip. Fold the rectangle as you did similar with the square. Now you'll have a mini square. Now make the folds very tight so that it can be easier. So you can even do that with your scissors, like the cutting part. But my scissors are very wiggly and wiggly. So I won't use scissors. So first, just cut your paper or tear your paper. Now you won't need one piece, you'll only need one piece. So you'll need as many pieces not to make this. But I think who will look very cute. Sometimes simple is better. So now 10. Really? 2 pieces. First fold it in a triangular way. So you just need this line for a guideline. So no need to make it so tight. I always make it tight. I don't know. So fold this over here as you did to the carrot. It's similar to the carrot. Now turn and do the same thing again to the middle. So this is how you make the leaf. So create 2 in a similar way. I created 1 more. Now let's start attaching the carrot together. Back side and then you can even use it like that. So front side. Now let's start sticking up the carrot. So first open these flaps over here and just add a lot of glue there. Not a lot, okay. take your first leaf. You want this side to be at the back side, so where there are two lines. And this side to be at the front side, where there are two small lines. And then stick them in. Yeah. And then you can just turn your carrot to this. Is it looking? You don't want these two flaps to show over here. And then stick. On these two flaps to show here. Now, similar way, I'm just going to apply a bit of glue over here. Next, you'll need to apply, and then just stick it up very well. And you'll have a origami carrot. This time I'm right, it's origami carrot. Now, let's start making its face. Its cute little face. What kind of face should I make? Should I make? Actually, I have an idea. My pink, make two hearts. And the pink also has two sides like that. And this side to make those two hearts. Same. Make its mouth and then make its cheeks. You can even make two eyes dots in the hat. They're very creepy, right? But it still looks so cute. This is how you make a origami carrot. Again, I'm wrong. A kawaii origami carrot. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and like. Thank you. Bye.